Assalamu alaikum students and a very good day to all of you. This is Ms. Kuratulan. In today's session we are going to cover a very important topic from the grammar portion, that is direct and indirect speech and narrations. Now let's look into it, how direct and indirect speeches are different from each other and how we can use it in our daily routines and sentences. Now first coming to direct narrations and direct speech, these are the exact words that are quoted, and indirect it's the opposite of direct speech, in which we modify and we use it in a very third form of majority of the verbs. Direct and indirect speeches have two major differences also, that is of inverted commas and commas that we use in direct speech, and in indirect speech we omit those inverted commas and commas. Okay, in indirect speech the actual words of the speaker are changed and we do not use the actual words of the speaker, we modify those words and we transfer those words further. An indirect speech is the actual exact word which we use with the help of commas and quotation mark. These are the example of direct and indirect speech. For example, first come to the first sentence. He said, comma and inverted commas, I live in the city center. Now these is the actual word that has been said by the speaker. Forever in indirect speech we omit all kind of punctuation such as commas and inverted commas or quotation marks, and we write it in indirect ways. For example, he said that, or he said he lived in the city center. So these are the examples. He said I'm going out, he said he was going out. In other sentences we sometimes also use instead of comma that. These are the phrases, or you can say word or forms which we transfer from direct speech into indirect speech, such as now into then, here into there, hereafter, thereafter, this is that, these, those, ago, before, thus, go, and the list goes on. Okay, now students, let's look into some of the examples.